Are you struggling to make money on Facebook? We've got you covered. First up, if you've got videos over 1 minute long, you can start earning from ads placed in your content. Just make sure you have at least 10,000 followers and 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days. Next, let's talk. This is where your loyal fans can pay a monthly fee for exclusive content. You need a minimum of 10,000 followers or 250 returning viewers and 50,000 post engagements in the last 60 days. Then there's partner with brands and get paid to promote their products. Always disclose these partnerships to keep things transparent. Don't forget about use Facebook shops to showcase your merchandise. From handmade crafts to digital downloads, the sky's the limit. Now, eligibility is key. Make sure your page adheres to Facebook's rules and guidelines. This includes being in good standing and following their community standards. Finally, focus on community, engage with your audience, post regularly and provide value. The stronger your community, the better your monetization efforts will be, so there you have it. Unlock your earning potential on Facebook by leveraging these monetization tools. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and let's get you monetizing. Until next time, keep creating and keep earning.